Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Shia, isn't it, I'm thinking, isn't it correct that the Muslim Ummah lost its identity both as a nation, broke up into nations, and also as individuals because of what you said at the khutbah, that they didn't say, they stopped saying Samina wa Atayna to their sultan?
Look, the Prophet ﷺ says, the one who dies without giving bayat to the Khalifa, he dies, what?
As a non-believer.
He dies as a? He dies in Jahiliyyah. As if, what? Revelation never reached to him. He rejecting. Jahiliyyah also means you reject the revelation that comes to you. Awliya Allah, they are still there to work on and to help and to plead and to beg Allah for our behalf. Otherwise, we would have been sent to non-existence a long time ago. But yes, like what Haji Ali is saying, who's talking about this now? It takes just simple things to put everything together. You know? It's not so difficult. But they're going through hoops, huh? Not to mention the most important thing. Hoops. That we say, why are you ignoring the elephant in the room? Why are you ignoring the dragon in the room? Why are you ignoring that? Why are you talking about everything else? You're not talking about Muhammad Rasulullah. The Khilafat is Muhammad Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam. Continuing the way, the ruling of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. Because that one, starting from Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, is representing, he's saying, I'm the Khalifatu Rasul. So, it's a dangerous situation. So now when we come to not only the sins that we are doing, as in whole ummah, that is disobedience against Allah, now we're in trouble, because where are those ones awakening the ummah about the Khalifa? And at least to ask Allah for the Khilafat to come back. Where are those? Or there is an active agenda to say, ignore this big elephant in the room. Talk about everything else. Don't talk about this. Don't talk about kings. You can form whole nations. Whole nations, they may even say, we are the second Medina. We are made from purity and light. But they ignore that. 1,000 years of history, they ignore that. They ignore the kings, they ignore the Khalifa. It's different if they form another country and they say, okay, now we have our own king. But they base it on what? A republican system. Isn't the republican system established to what? To bring down monarchy, kingship? And isn't Khilafat that? So, that's the trouble. May Allah wake up the nation, inshallah. May Allah forgive us. Al-Fatiha. Amen. Assalamu alaikum.